Hey, good Wednesday morning, and thanks for checking out your Mr. Quik weather forecast update. Meteorologist Michael Clark here. We're taking a look at radar this morning. It is dry for now. There are a few showers out to the west. They'll be weakening a little bit here this morning, and then perhaps a chance of at least some scattered thunderstorms will move into the area today. They will be hit or miss in nature. Some of us will see a thunderstorm, some of us will not. This is a look at a forecast radar product as we do go out through the day today. Again, as we get into the afternoon and evening hours, a few isolated thunderstorms will start to develop right around that 2 to 3 p.m. time frame. The best chance to see a thunderstorm in Indy might come right around about 4 to 5 p.m. And then throughout the evening, that will remain scattered. A better chance of rain and thunderstorms off to the south and southeast tonight as that moves on through the area. Dry overnight for the most part. Getting into Thursday is probably going to be our best chance of shower and thunderstorm activity throughout the week here, getting into Thursday evening as kind of a widespread area of rain and thunderstorms moves in late Thursday evening. The next chance of rain, well, it might come Friday morning. It could be heavy at times. We'll have to wait and see. We do have some discrepancies in the data, but it's something that we are at least watching here for the potential of some heavier rain Friday morning. Your Mr. Quik 7-day forecast. Again, 50% chance of thunderstorms today, 70% chance tomorrow afternoon. Friday morning, we're favoring a possibility of showers and storms, still up for grabs. Saturday, if you're running in the mini marathon, the American models are wet. The other data is dry. We're favoring at least a chance for rain right now Saturday morning with highs in the lower 60s.